Babe.
Yeah?
Can you cook today? I'm starving.
I should cook.
Yes.
No, Alan, I'll cook. At least, I'm a better cook.
Excuse me. You know I can cook more than you.
Sis, who is deceiving you? Please, let's not go.
I don't understand. Even the food that I used to cook for your brother, he always licks the plate.
Lick. Shebi used to lick your own plate, ni. My own. He will almost eat my plate. Let's not go there, please.
It's not possible, Jared.
Okay, should we ask him?
Yes, let's
We should ask him. Okay, we are.
Bro! Babe! Babe!
Come and sit down. Sit down here, bro.
Alright, my sweetheart. What are you guys doing?
Bro, leave that one. Your babe here is telling me that she knows how to cook than you. And I'm trying to tell her that it's a very big lie. So please tell her.
Babe, who can cook better?
Seriously, right now, I'm not part of this discussion. Maybe on that time.
Come back here. Yes! Bro, sit down.
Yes!
Who can cook best?
Tell her that I know how to cook than her.
Tell her the way I used to prepare that your afam soup. The way you used to lick that periwinkle very well.
I swear, anytime you prepare it there's a way you do it. You keep quiet? The periwinkle, you suck it.
Yes,
I know every time that
Mumu.
Just look.
Bro, tell her the way I used to prepare your yam porridge. The way you like it. The way I used to sprinkle that fish inside. You know I used to use mommy's recipes.
God.
Let me tell her.
Those dry fish, just first one I put inside
Mumu.
everything. Yeah, you know that anytime you prepare that yam porridge with mommy's recipe, it's just like I'm in the heavens of snow.
Mumu. You think say they wise?
Now you can answer the question. Who cooks better?
The thing is,
Who is the better cook?
Mumu. You think say they wise?
babe. The thing is, my sister cooks more better. But
But what? She cooks better, right?
Mumu.
Oh, she cooks better. Shebi, in the middle of the night, you come and ask me for food.
What do you think, mama?
babe, see, why are you laughing now?
Mumu. You think say they wise?
It's not that anything, no. It's just because of that mommy's recipe. As if it's not mommy's recipe, you don't know how to.
I know how to cook than her.
Babe,
Mama, vex.
babe. Baby, come on now. Come on, baby, chill now. Chill. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I chose her over you. But you know, there's a way I don't know how she has to pick this thing from my mother. The way she cooks, she just like my mother is cooking. That's why. If not, why would I choose her? But the food is always scattering my head. That's why. Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's catching your head, right? No, she cooks better than me. Okay. You see this food? This food here, you will not eat it again. This food, you will not eat it again.
Babe, calm down. He has not got to this now.
See this food? You will not eat it
Babe, come now. Babe,
You be Mumu.
what is this? Oh.
The earlier every one of you realize it, the better it will be.
What's all this now? What's all this? My baby, calm down now. But where is she? Did she go out? Bear!
Yeah, bro.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking your favorite dish for you. And you know, since you said I am the better cook, I'm trying to like spice it up with your favorite meal for you. So I'm cooking the yam porridge for you. Don't worry, I'll be back in a few minutes.
Continue.
Done soon.
Okay. Baby.
Don't baby me.
I'm sorry. You know I love you. See, the reason why I chose her,
A mumu man.
let me just say she's representing my mommy. She's representing my mommy, and that's why, nothing more.
A mumu man.
How is she representing your mom? How?
My mommy's recipe.
Does that mean I don't have my own recipe?
Baby, don't worry. See, I'm sorry. Let me just go there. I'm sorry. See, the thing is, see, let me tell you something. They'll make you know that yes, you are just in my heart. You know you have good character than my sister. Forget that she knows how to cook. You have good character. Yeah! Smile for daddy. Oh yeah, smile now. Hey, let's.
Bro,
What now?
the food is ready. Should I dish it out?
Which food? Just now.
Now, how many minutes does it take to cook porridge? It's done.
What is it, Seth? Can't you just let us have our moment in peace?
Hey.
No wonder he says my character is better than you.
Wow. My brother told you that your character is better than mine.
Yes.
Ben, don't worry. Don't dish.
Okay. Since we're already talking, you know, we're already saying all these things. What happened? Did something enter your eyes? Let me tell you something now. This my brother here said I am more intelligent than you.
See, baby, see. You know I love you. She has degrees upon degrees. That's why. But that doesn't still.
Oh, so it's me that does not have degrees upon degree, right? It's me that don't have degree upon degree now.
It's okay now. It's okay.
So this
Calm down, babe. That's not all, oh. That's not all. This same brother of mine here.
A mumu man. You think say they wise?
What happened? What happened to you?
I need water.
Which water killed you? Bro, you don't want me to talk. Bro,
baby.
No.
why did you fail when I was about to talk?
This slap does not need why you slap me like that? Someone affected. Is it not milk and water and everything you used to wake the person up?
You fainted when I was about to talk.
See, what else did you tell your sister about?
A mumu man. You think say they wise?
Yeah?
See, don't worry, I will tell you. This is my brother here. He said that. You don't want me to talk.
Baby.
Jesus is Lord.